everyone, welcome to ILC's online classes, and today we are going to learn articles. Articles are one of the simplest things in English grammar, and yet many people cannot use them properly. So today we are going to learn their proper use. We will begin with the first two articles, a and n. We use a when we have words which have consonant sounds. For example, a pen. So the sound, it has to be a consonant sound, p. So then we use a. And we use n when we have got vowel sounds, like an apple. So we use a with consonant sounds, we use n with vowel sounds. Some examples are a pen, a ball, a tiger, and an apple, an engineer, and an army officer. Now, there is one thing that we have learned in school is that we use n when we have a word which starts from a, e, I, o or u. That's why I said in the beginning that we don't use a with consonants or n with vowels, but we use a with consonant sounds and n with vowel sounds. Now, the examples are a university. We don't say an university. Why? Because university, even though it starts from u, the pronunciation is consonant. It's u, y. That's why we use a university. And hour. Even though this word starts from h, we say an hour because of the way we pronounce it. We don't say hour, but hour. So, this is the use of a and n. Now, let's learn the use of the. The is used in many places, and here are some of these places. It's used for unique things, like all the great wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal, the Statue of Liberty, the Great Wall of China. It's used for systems or services like the education system, the banking services. It's used for geographical features such as mountain ranges, rivers, seas, oceans, or even canals. Like the Andes, the Rockies, we can say the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, and the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and other things. We use the with superlative adjectives or the superlative degrees of the adjectives. Like, he is the best student in the class, or Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. We use the when something is already mentioned. For example, I met a dog. The dog was very cute. So, here are some of the things where we use the. Besides them, we use the when we are referring to a noun and addressing the entire class. Like, the wolf is a very dangerous animal. We use the when we are talking about organizations like the United Nations, and also with musical instruments. Like, my brother can play the guitar very well. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.